Now, you've seen me use the avatars for a lot of things. Let's just look at a very simple use case and talk a little bit about it. So if we have something that might help folks that need a little help with their reading here, this avatar can read back by just doing a right click and sending text.
A mission to Mars. A freak accident. One man's struggle to survive.
So the use case here, of course, is folks that might be visually impaired, or maybe English is not their first language, or maybe they're just not a strong reader, or maybe they get tired of reading and they just want somebody to read to them. With this tool, we can take a very low resource model here. Comes in at about 5.8 of GB of VRAM, and that's including my video software, so it's pretty lightweight. But this model can animate this avatar right here on screen. We can move it around. I'm going to go ahead and Control-C and end it. I'm just going to NPM start it again. It pops up. I can relocate it anywhere on my screen, and then I can have it assist me with my reading. So let's do that one more time here. I'm going to do Control-Shift-S, and we're going to send that over. Starts to blink. It'll read it back to us.
Once we got to Hermes, 4 additional unmanned missions brought us fuel and supplies while we prepared for our trip. Once everything was a go, we set out for Mars. But not very fast. Gone are the days of heavy chemical fuel burns and trans-Mars injection orbits. Hermes is powered by ion engines. They throw argon out the back of the ship really fast to get a tiny amount of acceleration. The thing is, it doesn't take much reactant mass, so a little argon, and a nuclear reactor to power things. Let us accelerate constantly the whole way there. You'd be amazed at how fast you can get going with a tiny acceleration over a long time.
So the avatar could just be kind of a nice co-reader here to help you read and get more out of the web. Thanks.